Hey there, how are you? So today's topic is how to change spark plug. It's a very easy job actually. There is nothing to show, but still I make a video on it. So you just need a pipe wrench to open your spark plug. Let's see how it opens. First, remove the spark plug cap. Then open the spark plug. So this is the condition. It's not totally gone actually, but I usually change my spark plug every 10,000 kilometer. It's my second time because I have reached 20,000 kilometer on this bike. So this is the new one. Before install the spark plug, just make sure that your spark plug gap should 0.6 to 0.7 mm because and to measure this gap you need a feeler gauge. This is called feeler gauge. Okay, just make sure that this gap is 0.6 to 0.7. This is 0.6 and it's moved easily, so it's perfect. As per Yamaha, the spark plug gap should be 0.6 to 0.7 mm. So let's just install like this. And then just install the cover. Cool, that's it. Please subscribe my channel guys if you like the video. Thank you.